AQA bacterial diseases, Salmonella and Gonorrhea by KayScience.com. Salmonella is a bacteria, and if you were to eat food that hasn't been cooked properly, prepared properly, or stored properly, it could have the bacteria Salmonella on it or in it. So the food is a vector for the bacteria Salmonella. So bacteria in or on the food is ingested. So bacteria in or on the food is ingested. The person is a host. So the Salmonella bacteria is going to produce toxins. They secrete toxins. And these toxins will make you feel ill. And the body's response is to vomit. So you will undergo vomiting. This is to try to remove all of the toxins and bacteria. So if you've got Salmonella poisoning, you'll also have diarrhea. That is another symptom of Salmonella poisoning. So if you've got Salmonella poisoning, you'll also have diarrhea. And you're going to have cramps. So there will be muscle cramps. So you're going to have abdominal cramps. And your body is going to have a fever. So your body temperature is going to rise. So because Salmonella is a bacteria, the treatment for Salmonella is going to be antibiotics. Antibiotics should kill the bacteria. So how would you prevent Salmonella poisoning? Well, Salmonella is mostly from poultry dishes, so chicken and eggs, for example. So if you vaccinate the poultry against Salmonella, that means the chickens will not have Salmonella. So that means that if you eat eggs and chicken, there will not be any Salmonella in the chicken of a vaccinated chicken. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is another bacterial infection. This person has the gonorrhea infection. So they have the bacteria gonorrhea inside their body. So they are currently a host for the bacteria gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is what we call a sexually transmitted infection, an STI. That's because it is transmitted from one person to another person via sex or direct sexual contact. So these two people have had sex or direct sexual contact. So the bacteria has now entered from one person into another person. So this person is now a host for the bacteria gonorrhea. So what are the symptoms for gonorrhea? Well, you're going to potentially have a yellow discharge from the vagina or the penis. So a yellow discharge from the vagina or the penis. You're going to undergo pain when you urinate. So if it's painful when you urinate and there's a yellow discharge from the vagina or the penis, then you need to go to an STI clinic or your GP. Because it's a sexually transmitted infection, the only prevention that you can use is a condom. And because gonorrhea is a bacteria, the treatment will be antibiotics. So your GP will prescribe you antibiotics to kill the bacteria. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.